Hi everyone, welcome to JavaScript 101, and in this tutorial series we will be looking at the fundamentals of the JavaScript programming language. So if you have little to no knowledge in programming and you want to learn JavaScript, you are at the right place. So I'm going to begin by looking at the topics that we will cover in this tutorial series. So in this tutorial series, we will be looking at data types, variables, type conversions, your basic operators, comparisons, conditionals, logical operators, your loops, your switch statement, and then finally your functions. And these topics here, they do not cover everything you can learn about JavaScript, but it does give you a good foundation for you to learn more. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how you want to set up your computer so that you can follow along in this tutorial series. So I'm going to be using a platform called Replit. Replit is basically an online IDE, and you can actually create your own projects here. I'm going to put a link in the description for you to look at the platform, and you can sign up and create your own projects. So if you want to create your own projects, once you logged in, you sign up and you logged in, you can go into this page here, and then you can go under create. There is a plus icon here, and you can use the node.js template. You can put in your title here and then hit create REPL. It will create a project for you. So I've already created a project for myself, so I'm going to open it up. So it will open up a node.js project here, and it will just have one file. I've already written a code here that says console.log hello world. So what I expect here when I run this code is basically it will output the text hello world into the console to the right here. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to run the code, and it says here hello world. So I'm going to end this video here. In the next video, we're going to start talking about JavaScript data types. So stay tuned for that video here. And if you like this content, please hit a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for your notifications. Until then, we'll say goodbye.